This video is going to show you a little security device that isn't expensive and could add a bunch of security to your garage. The manual garage door lock. First off, I installed it on the actual garage door. It comes with 8 screws, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. And what you do is you simply line it up to one of the notches on the garage door rail, and you push this to lock it. And you could put a lock if you want to be extra safe. If I'm going to be here day in, day out, I'm not going to do this because I'm going to forget. But this is a good thing. If I'm out of town, I'm putting it on there. I recommend to possibly get 2, 1 for each side. That way, if the garage door does open, it doesn't just catch on one side. So this garage door is like insulated. It's super heavy. It's no joke. These things are serious. There's warnings everywhere. If you're gonna put this on there, you literally have to remember that it's on there. Don't open this with it on there. And as a matter of fact, I recommend put a piece of tape or like a red sticker, just so when you look at the garage door, you're reminded that this lock is on here. But I feel good about having this lock because I don't have to worry about anything. Like I don't have to worry about those weird hacker dudes or anybody trying to get in the garage because it's actually manually locked. Now the link to buy this is going to be in the description. It's an Amazon affiliate link. You get to protect yourself and you get to support the channel. Just remember to be safe, right? This is full disclaimer. It's your responsibility to make sure that if you install something that you take all the precautions and keep yourself and your family safe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.